In the second part of the video, we will see how a web admin and a technical user of the website will able to handle all the queries which are received from our the customer, like bookings, customer handling, finance handling, and all other stuffs. To access the back panel of the website, we will have to enter this URL address in our browser. The URL will be share with you on your WhatsApp. When we enter a URL and hit enter a button, the browser will demand username and the password. The username and password will also share with you personally on WhatsApp. After a login, a back panel of the website will be open, which is look like that. To access all the bookings which made on our front hand side, we must come on Amila. Here it is on the left hand side, left bottom side, Amila. First we will enter dashboard. Here it is a dashboard. Dashboard will give you a overall look about your overall status about your appointments, like how many appointments still we received, how many revenue we generated, about the percentage of the load on our organization. Dashboard mentioned that there is a 3 appointments, 6.1% is a load overall, and the revenue is still not, means no client still pay any payment to us. Here it is Jazra employee. We can enter as different employees in our dashboard, and we can assign the services to the different employees, but right now we enter only a one employee, Jazra, and all the services will entertained by this employee. Services, we configure 3 types of the services: 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and more than 3 bedroom. And the packages, we configure 4 to 5 packages, which we showing in a first video. Here it is the data of the appointment which made on the front hand side by our clients. The first appointment made on 28th September. The second is made on 28th September 2 p.m. By Mr. Asif Javed. By clicking on Mr. Asif Javed, we can able to see all the details of the appointment, like customer phone number, how many maids he need, how many hours he need, number of the bedrooms he have, and all other stuffs. Here it is the email ID and the address of the customer. The second customer is Mr. Asaf J512. Here it is the email ID, and the all other stuffs are available here. All the information regarding this appointment is available here. Second option is the calendar option. When we click on the calendar option, the calendar is open. We can navigate among month, week, day, and list according to our requirement. For example, we'll click on a month, and the calendar show that there is a 3 appointments. By one is Mr. Ghulam Murtaza on 27th. The second is Asaf Javed, and third is Ghulam Murtaza on 28th. So we can click on any appointment to see all the details. Third is the appointment tabs. We can see all the appointments here as well. It is the same appointments which we see on our dashboard. If we click any of the appointment, all the data related to appointment will be visible for web admins. Here the web admin have a rights to approve, pending, cancel, or reject any appointment. By default, when our client make up appointment on a front end side, the appointment will automatically shift into approved status. But later on, our web admin have a rights to shift the appointment from approval to pending, cancel, and the rejection. On shifting the appointment from approval to pending to cancellation or the rejection, a proper email notification will generated to the client's email ID. So if you want to shift any of the appointment from approval to reject or the pending, just select the appointment, click pending, and that's it. The appointment will save from approval to pending status, and the message will appear like that. If you want to edit any of the data in this appointment details, just click on a pencil button. and we can edit anything, like we want to edit the time, we want to edit anything. If we made any change, the proper notification email will generate to the customer email, so the customer will notify that the web admin change your date or change your time, each and everything. The third option is a services. Here it is a services. Here the admin will able to create a new services by hit the add services button and give all the detail, like a services name, category. Right now we have only a one category, but we can increase the category for 1, 2, 3, any categories we want. Then the duration of the services from 1 minute to 4 hours. Employee, which employee will entertain this services. The pricing, the extra modules, like if we want to add some extra modules, we can hit the enter button, name the extra module, like how many bedrooms you have. Customer will able to select any number from 1 to 8, and each bedroom have a payment of 30 real. For example, if we save it, the extra will be saved in our newly created services. When the customer will select a newly created services, extra will appear there. The second, if a web admin want to change the pricing of any existing services, just click on the services. Editing tab will open. Come on the price and change the price. It's quite easy. Save, and that's it. And if a web admin want to change the price of the extras, the web admin can do it as very easily. Like here we calculate the price on the basis of the hours only, so just hit the edit button and increase the rate of the per hour. And the third type is the customer type. If we hit the customer like this, our customer tab will be open. The customer tab will show all the customers data. Like we have only two customer, Asif Javed and Ghulam Murtaza. So all the data will available be here. If we click on any customer tab, all the details related to that customer will appear here. And if we want to edit that detail, just click the edit button. Again, the edit menu will open, and we can change all the information related to this customer. The last tab is the finance. Finance tab. Here we enter the how many payments we received from the customer. Right now it is a pending, like Ghulam Murtaza with customer never pay anything. If we want to change it, then click on detail, edit. There is a 3 option. Pending mean no payment, paid mean the full payment, partially paid mean there is, for example, there is a bill of 1 to 8 AED and the customer paid only a 16, then click on the partial payment and enter the 60. The partial payment will be made. Here the paid amount is 60, due amount is 20, and total amount is this. If the customer paid a fully amount, then enter a full amount. Here it is, paid amount is 20. So here we can able to handle all the finance related issues in the finance tab. Thank you.